And then what happened?
It is bedtime. Let's go.
What? What's wrong?
Ask him nicely.
Did you call me bitch? Yeah. Why? You better stop cussing.
Whisper.
Правда. Come on out.
Stop. Okay.
Luna, can I get an I love you?
You did? Come on, what do we do? What do we do before we go inside? Go ahead, wipe your feet. Good girl.
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this? Did you do this?
I walk in here. Oh, what's that, eh? Who did that?
Oh, wow, that's a heavy sack. Oh my goodness.
Sit. Yes, good girl, Mama. Good girl.
Wow, that's very cool.
You go through, mate.
Oh, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.